Hi everyone, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the walk around video of the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to point out and take you through some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'm going to make my way inside. Once there, we will go through some of the major talking points and features of the interior. So this vehicle is a 2018 18 plate. And as you can see, it is presented in the fantastic and ever popular mineral grey. Alongside that, being an 18 plate, it does of course benefit from the full facelift. We've of course also added the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. With that, we've also added 20-inch M4 style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. You'll see up front those very nice facelift headlamps, which are now also LED angel light and also LED projector headlamps. Down the side of the car, you'll see the gloss black air breathers, privacy glass and the satin side vinyls, sidebars and YNC Mperformance side stickers. The interior on this vehicle is the very nice black Dakota leather, which matches very nicely with that exterior colour of the mineral grey. You'll see we have got the heated seat option along with the electric lumbar option as well. And the interior trim on this vehicle is the brushed aluminium and high gloss black, and we'll make our way on to take a look at the rear seats, which on this vehicle, like all others, is the 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest and the M Sport black headlining. And again, I'll just show you those very nice M4 style alloy wheels and the side vinyls before heading round to the rear, where of course, once again, thanks to the facelift, we had the much more menacing, aggressive looking facelift rear lights, gloss rear diffuser, high gloss black rear tailgate spoiler, which sits on the automatic opening and closing tailgate. And as you can see, that very, very large boot space. And of course, this can be made even larger owing to the fact we have got the split folding seat option on this vehicle, alongside the genuine BMW floor mats you can see nicely presented there. And there is also underfloor storage on the Gran Coupe variant. And for its class, it is indeed the largest and deepest boot space or luggage capacity you can get. Moving around to the other side of the car, where again, we'll just take a minute to show you how nicely presented this vehicle is. And again, I will just reiterate, the mineral grey is currently one of the fastest going colour combinations we have here at Your Next Car. It's always ever popular, but at the moment really are going very quickly. So again, I'll just take you for one last look at the alloy wheels before I head on inside to go through all of the very special interior and of course some of the features and options. So now we're sat inside the vehicle, I will of course go ahead and start the car up, where we're greeted very nicely with this professional wide navigation and media screen, and I'll go through a couple of the features and functions of that. First one to show you will be the Connected Drive Plus. This vehicle is equipped with Connected Drive Plus, gives you access to online search functions, news and weather apps, as you can currently see on screen, and that is all powered by Google. And the vehicle has its own 4G network, so don't worry, it does not use any of your own data, and you don't have to have a device connected to it for access to that. Of course, it comes with satellite navigation, a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, USB, AUX and of course Bluetooth audio. And there is of course the menu to pair devices to the vehicle. As you can see there is all of the functions for the Bluetooth. This vehicle has covered a very low mileage of just over 19,000 miles and has very recently been serviced at BMW. And as you can see, everything on the service requirement screen is all in green, sorry. And as we go down to engine oil, as you can see there, it has just been serviced. The service intervals on the BMW are every 20,000 miles or every 2 years. Bearing in mind that is of course a variable service intervals, unlike other manufacturers that use dedicated set service intervals. The BMW one is a variable. Okay, so as always guys, I do hope you've enjoyed this little walk around video. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where I will of course be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find down below in the description all of the relevant contact information, so you can get in touch with us here at Your Next Car, and there will also be a link down there for you to check out this vehicle in more detail on our website, and there is also be links for the prices and finance options if that's applicable to yourself. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.